AirPods Pro 3 users frequently report static, white noise, and hissing, especially during calls or when active noise cancellation is enabled. These problems arise from two main sources: electromagnetic interference and firmware bugs in the H2 chip. Bluetooth signals can clash with Wi-Fi, microwave ovens, or other devices, creating audible artifacts. ANC uses inward-facing microphones to detect external sound and generates inverse waves, but imperfections can cause residual noise. Early firmware versions had bugs in echo cancellation and adaptive equalization, leading to persistent low-level noise. Poor ear tip seals can worsen the issue by allowing air leaks, increasing perceived hiss. As of October 2025, the latest firmware update has partially addressed ANC-related glitches, but many users still experience unresolved problems. The ongoing issues have led to a class action lawsuit alleging design flaws in the H2 chip's noise processing. Start by performing a factory reset on your AirPods Pro 3 through your connected iOS device. Go to Settings, then General, and select Reset to clear any software glitches causing the noise. Ensure your AirPods Pro 3 are running the latest firmware by checking for iOS updates on your device, as Apple releases patches to address noise and interference issues. Try using wired connections instead of Bluetooth to bypass potential interference and eliminate the static noise during audio playback. Replace the ear tips with third-party silicone ones to improve the seal and significantly reduce perceived noise and hissing. Minimize proximity to electromagnetic interference sources like microwave ovens, Wi-Fi routers, and other electronic devices that can cause audible static. If issues persist, contact Apple support for warranty options. Extended coverage may apply due to the known static noise problems with AirPods Pro 3. Due to the class action lawsuit filed in June 2025, Apple is offering settlements and replacements for affected AirPods Pro 3 units with persistent hissing issues. Temporarily disable active noise cancellation and switch to transparency mode to reduce noise. Watch for firmware patches in Q4 2025, focusing on H3 chip improvements and Bluetooth enhancements.